One day we had a crazy idea to start a business from scratch, selling products on Amazon and record it every step of the way. We went to China on the search for the perfect product and filmed inside of factories where cameras had never been. We met amazing people and saw beautiful places from all around the world. We risked thousands of dollars to show you what it takes to build a business you love on your own terms. Join us on the journey to become new moguls.
All right, just rolled out of bed and we're here at the famous Weston breakfast at the Canton Fair. It's pretty much the greatest thing if you're an American. It's pretty expensive, but it's incredible. Hopefully we'll get some footage of it. Then we're gonna go check out the Canton Fair and get some badges and go find some awesome products.
The last day of Canton Fair. I mean, we've been visiting factories all week, so this is a little bit more of just kind of seeing what's new, maybe getting hands on a bunch of stuff and see if there's anything that grabs us. Canton Fair has just a good energy about it. There's a lot of movement, a lot of good stuff going on. So we try to make it as much as we can just for that fact alone. Okay, here's the question. How do you not be a noob when you arrive at the Canton Fair? Like, what do you think most people get wrong when they show up at the Canton Fair for their first time?
Probably not having a backpack or a suitcase
so
to carry all the different samples or the catalogs that they get. Also not wearing the proper shoes. So definitely wear some running shoes or walking shoes because there's a lot of ground to cover.
So I think the third question that I would have on my mind is like, what do you think is the most effective use of the Canton Fair? Like, what is the most effective way to come here and get the most value for the investment of coming here?
Well, first of all, if you already have suppliers that you're dealing with, if you're dealing with a lot of different suppliers, it's great to come here to sort of touch base with all of them.
Yeah.
And it also keeps them on edge.
What about somebody who doesn't have suppliers? What would be the most effective use of their time here at the Canton Fair to warrant the cost?
You probably want to make sure you have an idea of what you're looking for.
Okay.
Because it's very easy to get distracted here. If you're coming in without a plan, you're going to be lost and you're not going to get anything accomplished. All right, we are live at the Canton Fair. We're right here in Area B, and we're looking over here at my boy Jesse. He is ready. He's got the shoes on, the right shoes. He got shorts, looking fresh,
looking like a
relaxed.
tourist.
And I am looking profesh. I'm ready to hop on my boat and sail around after this. Let's go check out some boats.
When in Rome.
What's up, dude?
Dude, what's up, man?
How's it going?
Good.
What y'all doing?
Hey, good to see you.
Looking around.
Check this out. So this is just like one section. There's Like we're in section 5.1. There's multiple floors of these things. And you just come out here and you see all of these booths. It's crazy. One thing I'll say that I think if you have a game plan and you know what you're looking for and you come to the right phase of the Canton Fair, it's really good. Unfortunately, because of our travel, we weren't able to come to the right section for gis and for beauty products and everything, which is what we're kind of after. But if you're just looking around and you're looking for a product, you can literally just wander around the Canton Fair and find something. It's not advisable. I think you're much better off kind of figuring out what you want and then going to the section and talking to 20 factories at once. But I've already seen several products here that I think would be good to do on Amazon. It is truly incredible the amount of stuff that you can find at the Canton Fair. If you look around, everybody's tearing down all their stuff right now, and over the next few days, this entire place will empty out. Like in the next few hours, people are going to start emptying out of here, and you'll see truckloads of stuff leaving, and then in a few days, an entire new phase will start of more products. The next phase is like household items, so you got like cooking and homeware and all that kind of stuff. But even here, like, look at this. This is all machinery. This is all machinery that you can buy to put in your factory here. So they have like all these different types of things. We're just gonna walk around here. I mean, over here we have automotive stuff and everything. And then over here we have all of this machinery. It's just incredible the amount of stuff that is here. Everything that you buy when you go to the store is manufactured in China, and all of the factories are just right here. I mean, not all of them, this is just a small percentage of them, but they're all here coming in. You can meet with them. It's really incredible. Dude, they did it! They freaking did it! They invented holograms. Like, here they are.